Så pauser du da, starter igjen. Så kan du ta
in the both side during the summer. It's very nice, guys. Yan. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Yan. Nandito kami sa nag-drive kami ng husband ko. Tingnan niyo naman to. Bulaklak, ang ganda. Ganda, guys. Itong bulaklak. Ito kami ngayon sa labas, magkain-kain muna ng ice cream. Tapos I see the beautiful flower here and there. You see, it's very nice flower, a bed flower. And then there's a lot of people buying ice cream during the summer, and then they come here to just relax and then eating ice cream. And then the boat, the lake, this is the old boat, you see. Ito yung sinasakyan ng mga tao, guys, pag pumunta sila dun sa kabila. Napaka old boat na ito, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung ginamit nila ngayon kasi parang may diferensya ata, kaya hindi nila nagamit. Ayan, guys. I love this flower. It's very beautiful. See? Oh my God. How's beautiful flower. Look at the beautiful flower, guys. See? There. Tapos yung mga boat. Ganda, guys. Lake and a small restaurant. Yung Mustang car namin. Nag-ride kami ng husband.